All right, so over the past few days, go ahead and turn your bodies facing me.
Okay.
We have been working on these two goals. I can identify a coin based on its color, size, and the image on the coin. And I can identify a coin's value based on those characteristics, the color, size, and image. So today, before we get started, I was wondering if you can kind of help me practice this a little bit. First, I'm going to show you. Go ahead and stay face to the screen. And I was wondering how I would identify this little coin right here. Now, when I'm looking at it, I remember that I'm looking at the color, the size, and the image on it. And I'm noticing this one is a copper coin. I also notice it's kind of small, and it has a president on it. Which one? Abraham Lincoln. Now, because I know all three of those things, I think I know which coin it is. Whisper into your hand which one you think it is first. Breathe in. Breathe out. Penny. And now I have to ask myself, okay, I know it's a penny. But now, because I know it's a penny, because it's copper, because it's small, because it has Abraham Lincoln, how much is it worth? What's its value? Now, when I'm thinking about it, I know my coins, and I know the different values of all the coins, and I'm trying to think of a penny's value. I'm thinking it is, give me a thumbs up if you agree with me, 1 cent. But you're nervous I was going to say dollar or something. 1 cent. Now, it's your turn to kind of help me practice this a little bit more. As we begin our activity. Woo! All right, so mirror on for me.
Mirror on.
I can identify a coin based on its color, size, and image.
I can identify a coin based on its color, size, and image.
I can identify a coin's value based on its characteristics.
I can identify a coin's value based on its characteristics.
Mirror off.
Mirror off.
Now let's practice that. Looking at this first coin, I'm wondering its name and its value. You'll notice here we have what's called a word key. This is where you have your two options. It's either going to be a dollar coin or a $half. Now, first thing I'm wondering, what is its color? Who can tell me? What's its color, Stella?
Silver.
Silver. What's its size? This one's a pretty big clue, I think. Emmett?
Like big, not too big, but just like medium size, big,
Yeah, medium size, big. Grayson?
large.
It's large. Is it the biggest coin?
Yes.
And now, who's on it? Does anybody know? Lucy? John F. Kennedy. So because of those things, I'm wondering if you know the name of this coin. Remember, we're picking between these two. What coin is it? I would like for you to turn to face your partner. And I'd like for you to share the name of the coin and why you think that. What clues do you see that tell you? Ready, set, share.
Okay, so
All right, bringing it back. Turn your bodies back to face me, if you need to. Now let's see what we all think. What is the name of this coin? Breathe in. Breathe out. Love that we know that. So right here I'm going to write $half. And now I'm wondering, what's its value? That's how much it's worth. Breathe in. Breathe out.
50 cents.
And I love that you all said 50 cents, because what if I just said 50? 50 what? Who knows?
50 goes.
50 cents. Now, watch what I'm going to do here. Now I've used my $half. I have a pretty good idea of what the other one is. But Gavin shared something as I was walking around. Gavin, how did you know this was a $half?
Because not only does it have Liberty on it, but I also know because it says it was made in 1964.
Now that's a good thought, but earlier you shared with me.
Yeah, that one says Liberty on it.
And that's how you know it's what coin?
The dollar coin.
Yeah, so
and
you were.
That one's smaller than the
I love that you know that. So if you knew what this coin was, does that help you solve this coin as well?
Yeah.
You can use your other coins to help you for sure. So as we go out and go back to our seats, you're going to find a worksheet on your desk where you get to really show what you know about coins. What I would like for you to do before we go is read our goals with me one more time. When we're finished, I will say go. And head back to your seats. Ready? Say it with me. I can identify a coin based on